Hello, good morning friend. I am SHALIK KATHANE, working as a subject assistant at GONDIA. Today we will learn about chapter number 13 of class 6th. The name of chapter is sound and the topic is propagation of sound. Propagation of sound. Take two balloons. In this picture there is one is green and another is red. Red balloon is filled with air and green balloon is filled with water. Press the balloon filled with air against your ear and rub a finger on the balloon and listen to the sound. Same activity with the balloon filled with water. Like this. What you feel? Through which balloon do you hear a clear sound? We heard a clear sound from the balloon which filled with water. Means sound travel in the form of wave through air, water or through a solid and reaches our ear. Sound is propagated more clearly through a liquid than through the air. It is heard most clearly through a solid. Means propagation of sound. Sound is said to be propagated when sound waves spread in all directions from a source of sound. The medium of propagation of sound. The substance around a source of sound through which sound waves spread is called the medium of propagation of sound. Speed of sound at different medium. Transmissions of sound occurs at a different speed through different medium. Transmissions of sound is faster through a liquid than through a gas and faster through a solid than through a liquid. Now noise pollution. Noise pollution. Look at this picture carefully. Here a grandmother watch the TV. Again a father play with boy and at the same time dog barking. Means these all activity are done at the same time. This kind of continuous noise which may have ill effect is called noise pollution. Noise pollution occurs when we hear one or many sounds harmful to the ear. This is the symbol of noise pollution. Measure for preventing noise pollution. First, as far as possible, we should avoid blowing the horn. The second measure, the volume of the TV or radio in the house should be restricted to those watching the programmer. Third, vehicles should be maintained properly to reduce the unnecessary sounds they produce. Fourth, factories, airports, railway stations and bus stands should be located at the proper distance away from residential areas. Thank you friends for watching this video.